I'm really pleased to make this update regarding my Inboard M1 DIY battery using SANYO 2700A cells, which is 3000 milliamp hours. After sitting there for 2 years without anyone touching it, just sitting in the cardboard box that the Inboard M1 came with, the voltage right now I just measured is, as seen, 3.6 volts, 3.7, 3.6 volts. So it is very consistent. It is fine. It is not too low. Of course, the lithium-ion batteries would love to be sitting at about 50 to 40% state of charge, but right now I see this is a non-issue. As you can see, all the cells are perfectly balanced, no more than 0.2 volts. When charging, it is perfectly balanced within 0.1 volts of voltage drifts. So this cell is perfectly suitable for power usage. I wrote this DIY battery for like maybe 10 to 12 runs. So the cells are past the honeymoon period where the cells are perfectly powerful and perfectly consistent, and it is rather new in a normal usage period. Right now I'm charging the battery to 50% and ready to ship if anyone is interested, because my Inboard M1 has intermittent issues like radio jam frequencies with regarding of our subway system. Almost each and every intersection my board will get intermittent issues, which makes it very dangerous, and Inboard decided to take it back from me and give me a refund. So I'm left with the battery with almost no use for me. So I hope that someone will take it from me. Of course, it would be better if someone just did a heat wrap, but for convenience sake, I use it only on sunny days, and so should you, because Inboard M1 is not technically waterproof yet, and we will not see an Inboard M2 anytime soon. So if anyone have any problems, please comment down below. Thanks.